Police believe the time of death was just within the last 24 hours. Their priority is identifying the child so they can move forward with this investigation.
This here is a photograph that was conducted by our department's sketch artist of our victim.
Las Vegas police are calling for the public to help them identify the body of a boy they believe is just 10 years old.
Someone has to recognize this young man. It could be a neighbor, it could be a friend of the family.
He's described as Hispanic, 4'11", 123 pounds, and a little fuller in the chin than you see in the sketch. A group of hikers discovered his body. Police say around 8 Friday morning, the group found him in the area of the Mountain Springs trailhead near mile marker 20 on State Route 160. A resident who lives in the area thought he heard footsteps from a neighbor earlier in the morning.
And I asked him, well, 6 this morning, I heard footprints. You can hear them in the rocks. And I was like, was you out by the trailer this morning at 6? And he was like, no, I was down by the little pool thing working and doing whatever. So I think maybe whoever was here might have run up, past the trailer.
Police say they've been in contact with Henderson, North Las Vegas, authorities in Nye, and even San Bernardino counties. No agencies in the area have any children that match this description.
It's paramount that we're able to identify him so we can begin the key points of this investigation.
Now, police said if you have any information, no tip is too small. If you know anything that can help police, call Crime Stoppers at 702-385-5555.